Z06. Matt's got a baseline in here for us. Do believe this thing is fully stock under the hood. Matt! How many miles do you have?
27,416.
All right, what are you guessing?
469.
Damn, stealing Eric's guess. I'll go 475. You are winning, right? Oh, you are winning, Fran, by 0.49. I guess 475.
478. One more and I'll win it. We'll call that a draw.
I was told we always go with the lower number.
We do.
It's a Kyle.
You ask me what the f this thing's getting?
What are you doing it?
This is something I haven't done in a while. Stage 4 with the clutch.
Nice.
So it's getting
You've been doing a lot of stage 3s recently, so.
a lot of simple head cam Johns. So yes, yeah, that and some maintenance fluids. Stage 4 with the clutch.
Nice. Nice get.
And this guy is getting ARP head studs instead of GM.
Cool. You're getting the whole shebang.
So
I made 475 on the baseline too.
I'll just pop this intake manifold off and I'll do the clutch tomorrow.
Kyle.
Let's not say that.
I mean, that's what it is.
Maybe a different time period.
It's a slave.
5 and a 6 and you suck my dick. Bam, 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 bam.
Kyle got some trans action going on over here.
Yeah, definitely some action.
Let's see. Did Frankenstein send you a shirt this time? Has it been 2 sets in a row now? There's been no shirt? First box is not looking good, Kyle.
It's not. I'll get that.
Alright.
Garrett.
Moment of truth. Uh-oh. Let's see. Oh. Nice. There it is.
We got one right there. Isn't what's his name a large? There you go, Eric. I got a large for you. That brand new RPM edition cylinder head, Garrett. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. I mean, it doesn't get more beautiful than that. Get yours now at raceproven.com. I don't know if we're .com.
Raceproven.com.
Yeah.
Raceprovenmotorsports.com.
They know. If they're watching the video, they know where they're going. Hey, Garrett, just relax.
How's that ever like crossed your mind ever that you're like, you know, almost a celebrity?
Nope.
You know, you got like thousands of people that watch you and shit.
Yeah, man.
A little first time startup.
We got a 2008 C6 Z. Got a full stage 4 package. So our heads cam, 2-inch headers with cats, Haltech 108, ported, Frankenstein ported MSD, Nick Williams 103, Monster LT1S clutch, and we changed the trans and diff fluids and etc, etc. Let's see what we got. Baseline 475. This thing must not have a mild to wild on it. The exhaust is closed. .35, 542, first pull. I got some timing to maybe put in it too. I didn't change any timing, just fuel. .641, 543. Can you actually come over here and pull the exhaust fuse? I'll show you which one it is. It's under here. You'll have to open the door. I'll show you. So like you can literally just reach up there and flip that whole front flap down. No, like on the carpet, like the whole floor mat. Yeah, pull that whole thing down. It's.
Oh, okay.
Does he have a mild to wild? What does that thing say? Exhaust controller?
Exhaust commander.
So where the f is the switch? I wonder if it's on the fucking. Let me see if it's on the mirror. Cause that's how it is on like when we do the dash logic. This maybe? There it is. Okay, you can flip that back up. Changed a little fuel and a little timing. And it did have a mild to wild. We figured out the button. .45, 544. This thing's got good ass oil pressure too, 95 pounds. All it does, the mild to wild from the factory is set to open at 3,500. Past 3,500 it opens, or if it's in like competition mode or whatever, it opens at 2,500. So it just does it electronically. So all that thing does is it goes in place of the fuse, and it just opens or closes the fuses whenever you hit the button. That's why if you pull the fuse out, they're open all the time, because it doesn't send power to close them. Little knowledge. You gotta remember that. But I bet you don't know how it works.
I didn't know about the RPM thing, like how they work exactly.
But it's also not just electrical. It's vacuum operated.
The valve.
The valves are vacuum operated. It's just an electronic thing to tell it to open or close the valves. But the valves themselves are vacuum operated. So the little line up here in the engine bay that's coming out like whatever, that goes like the back of the fucking intake manifold. That goes to the back. There's a little vacuum canister in the back bumper, and then there's a line off of that that goes to the valves. And there's a little electronic solenoid like behind the bumper. That's like, I don't know if you've ever seen like cars, sometimes cars don't work. You can take out the tail light and there's a little solenoid right there. The solenoid is what's controlled by the thing, and that's what opens and closes the valves. All right, we'll let this thing cool for, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. Let's see what we got. I forgot to open the exhaust. Not that it matters, it opened by itself, but I forgot to open the exhaust. I forgot you got to do it every time you start the car, but it did it by itself. 651, 548. gonna make one more. Well, that's 647. Either way, that's stout. So it picked up fucking 175. Picked up 175 on a stage 4, which is about right because they pick up about 140 or so on a stage 3. That's pretty badass. That's it. Later.